Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get free items in Roblox step by step. No Robux, no scams, and it works for beginners. So make sure you watch until the end. First step, open Roblox and go to the avatar shop. Many people skip this, but it's very important. Second step, go to the search bar and type free. Now click on the category price free. Here you will find shirts, pants, accessories, and sometimes limited free items. Another way, follow official Roblox creators and groups. Sometimes they give promo codes for free items. Important warning, never trust websites that ask for your password or say free Robux. That's a scam and you can get banned. And that's it. Now you know how to get free items in Roblox. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment free if it worked for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.